Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on the Hang Seng Index, ticker symbol HSI. If you are new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just a humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. So currently the Hang Seng Index is up about 5 to 6%. So there's a strong, very strong rebound. And potentially it may be a reversal. So if you look at the monthly charts, there was this yellow line that we drew, and there was this supports. So usually when these supports are broken, short sellers will come in, people will panic sell, and that's where market makers will actually use this opportunity to actually accumulate the stocks. So you can see that the line was broken here, and then we managed to go back above it just the very next day. And if you look closely, two supports that I was watching for the Hang Seng Index, first one was the 19.6K. 19.6K was in fact a breach, and there was a gap that was need to be filled at 19.6K. So the first day it hit 19.6K, and the very next day it gapped down. So the last support, essentially the last support before the 16,000 was around 18.2 to 18.3K. So we did see a support coming in at 18.2K just yesterday. And furthermore, last night in the Chinese listed companies in New York actually saw a rebound, and most stocks were up almost about 5 to 10%. So that was in fact a good rebound. And if you look at one of the stocks that I follow quite closely that represents the Hang Seng Index is actually Alibaba. Because when Alibaba bottoms out, then potentially we may see a potential reversal for the Hang Seng Index. Of course, there are other components like the Tencent, others, but I feel that Alibaba would actually give a very good signal. So these two arrows here indicate that the bottom was somewhere around 73 zone, and just yesterday we hit a 73 this price target in Alibaba, the one listed in New York, and it managed to see some supports there. So in the event that Hang Seng Index did bottom, then this 73 support has in fact bottomed out for Alibaba. So what we want to see in the later on is that we want to see a very bullish looking candle. So this is considered a bullish looking candle for the weekly charts. As for the daily charts, what we want to see is a green candle, and hopefully it closed near the peak. And tomorrow, it needs to be sustained with a green candle. Of course, we will see some resistance at about 20,000 because all these previous supports will turn resistance as well. So it will definitely take some time, but hopefully we don't see it falling back below this yellow line. In the event it does really fall back to this yellow line, then it may be another opportunity to buy if the index actually allows you to even go back to those levels. Nevertheless, I just hope that we can have a good close tonight. Later for the Hang Seng Index, and tonight for the New York stocks, we want to see a strong gap up followed by a strong closing. We do not want to see a huge sell down right from the opening bell. Yep. So nevertheless, if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you will keep the uptrend on channel intact. Leave in the comment section below your thoughts on this particular index, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.